This is the question that we are going to solve today. If x is a real number, we are asked to solve the equation. For this equation, if we multiply each of them by 4x plus 1 square, then we will have a polynomial of degree 4. For a polynomial of degree 4, there is no general way to get the answer. We are going to use a different approach to solve the problem. First of all, we recall that x squared plus y squared can be written as x minus y squared plus 2xy, and we are going to use this result in this question. So for this, x is x and y is x over x plus 1. By using this method, it will be x minus x plus 1 squared plus 2 of x plus 1 equals to 5 over 4. This is interesting to note that this will be equal to x squared plus x minus x. So it will be x squared over x plus 1 squared. And for this is 2 of x squared x plus 1 equals to 5 over 4. Now this becomes a very simple quadratic equation if we let u to be equal to x squared over x plus 1. So multiply each of the term by 4 and use this substitution. So this will be 4y squared plus 8 of y minus 5 equals to 0. 2y plus 5 minus 1. So 2y times 2y is 4y squared. 10y minus 2y is 8y. Negative 1 and 5 is negative 5. So y will be equal to half, or y is equal to negative 5 over 2. And because y is equal to x squared over x plus 1, so it will be x squared over x plus 1 equals to a half, or x squared over x plus 1 equals to negative 5 over 2. For the first one, it is 2x squared equals to x plus 1. And 2x squared minus x minus 1 equals to 0. 2x and x minus 1 and plus 1. X equals to negative half or 1. So for the other case, this will be equals to 2x squared equals to negative 5x minus 5. And this is 2x squared plus 5x plus 5 equals to 0. Note that the discriminant equals to b squared minus 4ac, that is b squared minus 4a and c, 25 minus 40, and that is a negative value. Since the discriminant is less than 0, there's no real solution. Okay, so the real solution for this equation is x equals to half or x equals to 1. And in this case, we only use one particular technique, that is completing the square here. That's all for today's lesson. I'll see you again. Bye bye.